Hey there everyone, this is Josh with EduCryptocation. Today I'm going to show you how to make a CNFT.io account. The website you go to, let me close my Discord because that's going to be annoying. The website you go to is CNFT.io, and this is the marketplace for Cardano NFTs. It's just like Ethereum, but way better. The fees are fractions of pennies compared to the hundreds or thousands of dollars you pay on the Ethereum blockchain. And the NFTs are just as cool, if not way better. So go to cnft.io and then you're going to hit login. It might just be doing that since I already have an account. It might say create an account right there on the homepage for you, but for me it doesn't. So right here it says create your CNFT, and I'm going to create a sample account for you guys just so you can see exactly how to do it. So for your username, you're just going to pick a username, any username you'd like. Okay, so I'll just put sample video. Email address is cryptocation vid. Agree. Register. Okay. And bam, there you go. You made your account just like that. You have your CNFT.io account. You might have to verify your email here later on or whatnot, but you can just go straight to the marketplace from here. And look, I'll show you guys a couple of the cool projects going on. You just go to filter, type in the project name. A couple good ones right now would be, I like this one, Baby Alien Club is a really good one right now. So you would just click that, and then you come down here and press filter. Okay, there you go. And here's your Baby Alien Clubs. And you could even filter it by rarities or prices, low to high. And so the lowest one you can get right now is 69 for a common, and then it goes all the way up to, this one has 28,000 people in their Discord, and there's only 5,000 aliens, so that's why I find it a good project. But yeah, there's many more, and it shows you the amount of ADA right here, which at the homepage it said it was ADA right now is $2.01, so that means a baby alien right now would be what? Like about 140 American dollars right now at this moment in time as I'm doing this video. So that's how you make a CNFT.io account. I will leave the website in the comment section down below. I don't think there is any referral link for this. If there is, it doesn't matter. I'm just doing this to put information out there for you guys. So that's how you create a CNFT.io account in order to buy, sell, and trade Cardano NFTs. Thank you guys, and have a great day.